stumbled across drifting while we were driving around with the family trying to figure out what we were going to do for the day, and we seen some trucks heading into Lime Rock Park, which was only 20 minutes from my house. So we pulled in, started checking out some trucks and cars, and we seen a drift demo going on. I barely knew what drifting was then, but I had to get in close, see what was going on, talk to some people. After talking to a bunch of people, my mind was set. I mean, I had to go get a car. My name's Brian Wadman, and this year I'll be going to Pro 2. So right now I run for cars. I have a street car, basically I call it. It's a demo car. It's the car that I can go and use whenever I want to, and that's a S14 with a LS3 motor. Just a good time, a party car. It's fun to bring out, it's cheap to run, and holds together great, so we enjoy that car. So the Pro car runs another LS3 in that. That's got a Magnuson supercharger on it, putting about 700 horsepower to the wheels. That's all you need for Pro 2, and it's a monster. So the main goal this year, 2020, is Formula Drift Pro 2. I mean, that's what I am mainly focusing on. But as we're gearing up and getting ready for Pro 2 is an event called Clutch Kickers. And that's being put on in Florida. It's going to be a 5-round series. It's open to Pro 1 drivers, Pro 2 drivers, and any grassroots drivers. So we seen it. It looked good. I said, yeah, let's go. My team was ready to roll. We went down there, and out of 54 drivers, we came in 4th. So it's going to be exciting. There's a lot of competition down there, and we'll see how the rest of the rounds go. Ready for 2020. We're going to hit it hard. We're going to hit a lot of events, and we're just looking to have a blast. That's it.